Can you make a Snapchat filter for an event? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a lot of you guys were asking that question that how you can make a Snapchat filter for an event. So in this video, I'm going to explain all about that. So can you make a Snapchat filter for an event? Well, you can't do it like you used to. So Snapchat recently updated their process and here is what you need to know. Before you could easily create a custom filter directly on their site, but now Snapchat has discontinued the ability to create custom geo filters for personal events. Instead, they have shifted their focus on Snapchat lenses for broader use. So you can still create AR lenses for fun or brand purposes, but not for specific events anymore. So if you're trying to get a filter for your wedding, birthday or party, it's no longer an option. However, there are still ways to make your event stand out using Snapchat lenses or third-party apps. While it's a bummer, you can get creative with new feature and hey, that's what Snapchat is all about, right? And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.